Hello everybody, I hope you are all having a wonderful day. My name is Emily Morgan and I am with Earlybird Baking Company. Earlybird Baking Company is not your everyday lunch and bakery joint. It incorporates two of the best things: great tasting, energizing food, and animals. Earlybird Bakery is a place where the hustle and bustle of everyday work disappears and you can relax, lay off some steam, and maybe even play with some animals. The two main problems we at Earlybird Baking Company are trying to help are the consumption of too many processed foods and the overflow of animals in shelters, as well as the abundance of homeless animals. According to Dietary Guidelines 2015 to 2020, about 3/4 of the population in the United States has an eating pattern that is low in vegetables, fruits, dairy, and oils. Most Americans exceed the recommendations for added sugars, saturated fats, and sodium. In short term, poor nutrition can contribute to stress, tiredness, and it can affect our capacity to work. And over time, it can contribute to the risk of developing some illnesses and other health problems. Approximately 6.5 million companion animals enter the U.S. animal shelters nationwide every year. Of those, approximately 3.3 million are dogs and 3.2 million are cats. Each year, approximately 1.5 million shelter animals are euthanized due to overcrowding. These numbers have slightly declined through the percentage of animals being adopted and an increase in the number of stray animals successfully returned to their owners. Our solutions are that all of our produce is locally sourced and fresh. Our menu is comprised of deliciously healthy, energy, and nutrient-filled options that will boost your mood for the rest of the day. Because our ingredients are sourced from local farmers, our menu is always changing and evolving to fit the changing of the seasons. We experiment with new spices and flavor combinations, so there is always something new to look forward to. This also ensures that your nutrient needs are being met no matter the season. As for our animals, we will be partnering with local humane societies and shelters to take in some of the most adoptable animals. By doing this, we will be allowing room for more animals in need while helping others get adopted quicker. Through volunteering, I found out that the way a cat and dog acts is completely different when it is out and playing than when it is in a kennel or a room all day. By taking animals in, we will be able to show them in a more homey environment where they can relax and show their true personalities. With that being said, all possible adoptions will still go through the Humane Society or shelter that particular animal came from. This ensures that proper background checking and paperwork is completed correctly and that the animal is placed in a truly loving home. Earlybird Baking Company is a social venture aimed to aid in the process of finding each and every animal their own forever home. We are here to help the overflow of shelters around the county. We are also here to help people regain control over their body by the food and nutrients they consume. Our customers fall under the age range of 25 to 55 years old, these being the people most likely already with a professional career or those who own or rent their housing. According to the Census Reporter, the median age of someone living in Charlotte, North Carolina is roughly 35 years old. 66% of the population in Charlotte is between the age of 18 and 64 years old, and the average median income for a household is roughly $60,000 per year. Earlybird Baking Company has a structure of a fast food restaurant. Food will be ordered and paid for at the front counter. A receipt will be given with the order number on it. If it is a to-go order, then the number will only be on the ticket. If the customers are staying, they will be given a place number for the table so servers know where to take the orders. Volunteers trained with the shelter's protocol will run the cat and dog rooms. Their uniforms will make them easily distinguishable from normal staff. We're asking for both investor funding as well as donations. Any donations will be through the Humane Society or shelter and will go to providing necessary material for the animals. Investor funding will be for the restaurant and bakery portion of the business. Here shows a steady growth of income from year 1 being roughly $80,000 to year 5 being roughly $120,000. That's a growth of about $10,000 a year. Our main bakery competitor is Amelie's French Bakery. Other competitors include 7th Street Market and Optimus Hall. Each of these locations allow both grab-and-go foods as well as sit-down. Delivery services can stall customers from leaving their homes or work for lunch. And finally, home-cooked or packed lunches are also a factor to consider. However, we offer a quick yet personalized experience within a walkable distance. We provide both lunch and pastry items, and we have plenty of healthy, ever-changing options. Our underlying magic comes from our compassion for animals, our love for the community, and our focus on healthy eating. There are only 72 cat cafes in the United States and even fewer dog cafes. With the amount of animals that come through shelters, there needs to be more help getting them into their forever home. Supporting local farms helps not only to support the community, but also everybody's health. We care for our customers and want them to live full and happy lives. It is our goal to build a better, healthier America. Our startup costs come out to roughly $100,000. This includes all kitchen equipment, construction, supplies, utilities and maintenance, and miscellaneous expenses. We are asking for $95,000 for 30% of the company. Our investors can look forward to a drastic return on their investment from years 2 to 5. So whether it's your first time visiting us or your 100th, come wag your stress out by spending a few hours with us. We're positive you won't want to leave. Thank you for your time. Are there any questions?